The Logitech G915 TKL Keyboard stands out with its advanced wireless technology, offering users the flexibility to switch between high-performance LIGHTSPEED and Bluetooth connections seamlessly. Its low-profile mechanical switches deliver the speed and accuracy of a mechanical keyboard while being half the height, allowing for a more comfortable and efficient typing experience. The keyboard's Tenkeyless design not only saves space, but also provides more room for mouse movement, which is particularly beneficial for gamers. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the G915 TKL is both incredibly thin and remarkably durable, ensuring longevity even with intense use. Users can enjoy up to 40 hours of game time on a single charge with convenient low battery warnings and a quick recharge time of 3 hours. With customizable RGB lighting, through LIGHTSYNC technology, users can personalize their keyboard with millions of colors and dynamic animations.